On this spreadsheet, I want to be able to create formulas. I went over to the Enter Data tab, and I have some sales that are going to be in this area here. I have sales for 10 customers and then every day of the week except Sunday. So at this point, I'm going to put in a place for totals to be for each day of the week, and then also totals to be for every customer as well. I want to be able to use AutoSum to be able to add up this particular column. So I could actually go to my keyboard and hit Alt and then equals. At that point, if I hit Alt equal, I can highlight just what I want and then hit Enter, and it actually wrote the formula for me. So again, that shortcut is Alt and then equal sign. Over here where total is, I can also choose Alt equal, and it quickly writes my formula for me. And as you know, when you get your skinny cross, you can just double click and it'll fill down the formulas for you. So very quick to be able to use your AutoSum keyboard shortcut to be able to fill in these totals. Well, I do believe that that's fast, but I think that the way that I like to do it is a little faster. So let's do this. I'm going to get rid of all my formulas, and I'm going to also insert a column very quickly. If you don't know that particular shortcut, Control Shift and then the plus will insert a column. Control minus or dash will delete a column. But I have my data set up just the way that I want it, and instead of having to do the first formula and drag, let's do all the formulas at once. So by including the highlighting the data and where I want the totals to go, we learned this in one of our earlier videos. By using Shift, I can click on A and then holding down Shift and then click on I13. It highlights from where my cursor is down to the bottom of the data, and I can just use my Alt equal all at once. When I create that, they use an Alt equal, then at that point it does all the formulas together. If we're not creating our formulas this way, the other way is probably a little bit too slow. We can speed up our time by creating the formulas all at once.